What if I told you there are 5 completely free AI tools right now that can do your research, write your assignments, organize your schedule, and even make your presentations all in under 10 minutes? Welcome to today's Explainer. I find the best free AI tools so you don't have to waste time searching. And today we're looking at the top 5 you absolutely need for 2025. Let's get straight into it. The crazy thing is, most students have absolutely no idea these powerful automated systems even exist. They're still out there doing everything the slow, manual way and burning themselves out in the process. But what if you could put the whole shebang on autopilot? Okay, let's dive into this. 10. Why is that number important? Because integrating these specific tools into your daily study routine will genuinely save you 10 hours a week. Think about that. We're talking about building a streamlined, efficient ecosystem that takes all that heavy, repetitive lifting completely off your plate. And here's the best part. By the end of this explainer, you're going to have all 5 of these tools saved and ready to use today. No waiting around, no complex setups. Just the ultimate automated study system ready to go for your very next class. So let's build this workflow.
Tool number 1, ChatGPT, your brainstorming partner.
Yes, the free version at chat.openai.com is still incredibly powerful. It's the absolute foundation of our workflow. Imagine feeding it a dense 40-page PDF and getting a crisp summary in seconds. Or using it to draft comprehensive essay outlines, explain insanely complex topics like your 5, and generate ideas instantly. It gets the ball rolling so fast. And I cannot stress this enough. No payment needed. You literally just log in. This first absolutely crucial step in the toolkit is completely free. Tool number 2, Notion. Let's organize those study notes. Once you've brainstormed, you need a smart place to put all that info. Notion is a free note-taking app, but it's got AI built right in. You can organize your entire workspace, create dynamic to-do lists, and get this. The AI will automatically summarize and rewrite your messy, panicked late-night notes so they actually make sense the next day. Go to notion.so right after this and sign up for free. Tool number 3, Grammarly. Polish your writing fast. So once your notes are organized and you've drafted your paper, every single student needs this for the editing phase. It instantly fixes your grammar, actively rewrites weak sentences, and turns a rough draft into a highly professional submission. It catches all those exhausted mistakes you miss when it's 2 a.m. and your eyes are basically crossing. And look, you do not need to pay for incredible results here. The free version alone is plenty. I highly recommend installing the Chrome extension right now because it instantly upgrades the quality of literally everything you type. Tool number 4, Canva. Effortless AI presentations. We move into the presentation phase, and Canva is not just for basic design anymore. It now has powerful AI built right in. It can actually generate full presentations from scratch, write the text for your slides, and create custom graphics automatically based on what you need. This is an absolute lifesaver for group projects. You know that headache of trying to coordinate visuals with 3 other people at the last minute? Canva's AI effortlessly solves that. You whip up something cohesive, professional, and visually stunning in just minutes. Tool number 5, Perplexity, smarter sourced research. Perplexity.ai is the ultimate way to cap off your research process. Think about standard search. You're clicking through 20 different websites, dodging ads, hoping you find one good quote. Perplexity gives you direct answers with actual, credible sources attached instantly. It searches the internet and does all the synthesizing for you. Think of it as Google, but way smarter. It completely eliminates the endless clicking and dead ends of traditional internet research. You get exactly what you need with citations ready to drop right into your bibliography. It is a real game changer. So there's our magic number again, 5. These 5 completely free AI tools create an incredible automated ecosystem. From brainstorming with ChatGPT, organizing with Notion, polishing with Grammarly, designing with Canva, and supercharging your research with Perplexity. This workflow is designed to genuinely save you hours every single week. Links to every single one of these tools are right down in the description. If this explainer helped you streamline your study workflow, definitely hit subscribe because I post new AI tool guides every single week to keep you ahead of the curve. Now, I want to know, which free AI tool are you trying first? Drop a comment below. Are you going to overhaul your notes in Notion or generate a brand new presentation in Canva? Seriously, if 5 completely free tools can save you 10 hours a week right now, imagine what you could achieve when you fully master them. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.